Attributes of communication. Qualities. Effective communication involves accuracy in the sending and receiving processes, and no type of barriers to encumber that accuracy. These 7 qualities of effective communications are completeness, conciseness, consideration, concreteness, clarity, courtesy, correctness. First, completeness. A message is complete when it contains all the facts that are needed by the listener or reader for the response you desire. Conciseness. Getting your message through in the fewest possible words, keeping in mind all the other qualities of effective communication. Remember, a concise message is more often complete without being wordy. Consideration. Keeping the receivers in mind while preparing the message is what defines the quality of consideration. Putting oneself in the place of the receiver, empathy, is the key to effective communication. Concreteness. Being concrete is being vivid, definite, definite and specific rather than obscure, vague and general. This turns your message intense and then it glows. Clarity. Getting the message through in an accurate manner is the purpose of clarity. Precision is the crux of any message. In chapter 4, we discuss barriers to effective communication and techniques to overcome them. Courtesy. Courtesy means not only to think about the receiver's reactions but also her feeling. It not only involves uses of polite words and gestures but also pure politeness that grows out of respect and concern for others. Remember, it does not cost to be polite, but courtesy features rich dividends every time your message is read by each individual. Last but not the least, correctness. This quality means to correct use of grammar, spelling and punctuation. In terms of verbal communication, this refers to accuracy in pronunciation.